Good morning, everyone. This is Alberta Guerri from Sensofar Metrology. I'm the VP of Sales, and I would like to thank the EPIC for the organization of this Photonics Plus event and give us the opportunity to introduce the company and the products, and well, to explain why we are here and what we do and how we can help you. So let me start with a nice picture of the team. This is mostly all the people which is working in the headquarters in Barcelona. Globally, we are close to 80 people. Well, we are part of we are member of the EPIC since a long time ago. You know that the company is located in Terrassa, which is 20 kilometers away from the beautiful Barcelona. The company is a spin-off from the Polytechnical University of Catalunya, from the UPC, and that happens 20 years ago. So it's already 20 years that we have been in the market developing our products, okay, and helping people. So what we do basically optical profilometers for surface characterization. So all the people we work with many people who want to analyze surface texture, surface form, and normally in the micro and the nano scales. Okay. So we still have a very close relationship with the university, but we still design, we manufacture, and we sell all of our systems. So this is the main purpose of the system of the company. While we provide solutions in different markets and for different applications, let you know that the product that you will see later, depending on the package of the software, it can be configured for either for a system super versatile for an R&D lab, or a system for a quality control, where an operator, you can only load the recipe and is getting a pass and fail report. Okay? So the systems are suitable for both cases. It's just depending how you configure that and which are the software packages that you're getting with the system. Well, we're proud to say that we have more than 1,000 systems installed worldwide. Mostly of the systems, even 20 years ago, installed 20 years ago, that are still running, and we are still supporting them if we can. We work in a very wide range of applications. So we work in semiconductors, microelectronics, optics, molding, laser texturing, even we help paleontologists. Okay, so at the end, as Professor Brown from WPI said, a surface covers everything. So anyone who has a need, either cosmetic or functional, and they need on his surface and he need to characterize that, we will be willing to help them. Okay. Then this is the company located in Terrassa. This is how the building looks like. It's a beautiful building. This is where we manufacture and we design of our profilometers. We have also sales offices and support offices in different countries. So probably Shanghai and Taipei are the biggest offices that we have. Also in Germany, Munich and Frankfurt, we have people over there, and in America. Then here you have some of the customers or partners that we can mention. Of course, we work with many other companies but unfortunately we cannot name them because of confidentiality issues. But as you can see, we work with very well-known universities or very well-known metrology institutions like the PTV, the NIST, INRI in Italy. So, well, we are proud to be part of those teams. Then we have two business lines. We have the tabletop solutions. That is the one you see here. It's a complete solution where you can get all the hardware, all the software, and it's a fully working solution. So mainly all of you, probably you know the SNIOX is the most popular one. It's a very, very specific system, very unique, probably the most versatile system in the market, which is combining multiple technologies, optical technologies in the same measuring head. So it's offering confocal interferometry with PSI, EPSI, CSI, focus variation, or well, the evolution of focus variation called active illumination focus variation. I also have the option of reflectometry for the characterization of thin film, and also DAC observation. It's very unique. Also, to this same platform, we can add the 5-axis accessory for measuring, more suitable for small cylindrical surfaces, where you can get a full 3D map of the part. Then we have the entry level. This is a more basic solution, the S-Links, which is also for surface measurement, but well, it's limited in the stitching options. It has a manual stage. On the right side, we have the Sonics, which is a super fast interferometer. It's more suitable for quality control. And on the left is the new one, which is called the S-Wide, which is very different. It's a little different what we have been doing in the last 20 years, where we have been more focused on the nanometer and micrometer scale, and this is more in the millimeter. Okay, it's a fringe projection system with also very unique capabilities, which is including a color camera. It's a telecentric lens, so it's very, very easy to manage, very easy to acquire data, and this is more suitable for form measurements. So that will be all of portfolio of tabletop systems. And then the second business line is the integrable head. So all these measuring heads that we are offering in a tabletop solution, also we offer as an integrable head. So you can get these systems. Well, normally we offer them with longer cables, so it's more easy to integrate. We have, for example, the Sonics, which can have even cables up to 20 meters length, and with a very easy implementation packages, which is, we call that the SDK or the DLL, and then you can take this head and you can build your own machine. Okay. Definitely, this is a growing market for us. Then let me talk you about the SNIOX. I already told you that we have all these technologies. Well, this is the 5th generation of our system. It's a very, very robust, stable, and quite well-known device. And I invite you to test it if you have some roughness measurement surface. You need to calculate your surface. We are very happy to run a demo to you and to explain how that works to you. Here you have, it's a brief summary that we always try to explain to the customer why it's necessary, or why is the benefit of having all these technologies in the same measuring head. In fact, probably you will find in the market some interferometry systems, some confocal systems, some focus variation systems, but in fact, there is no one better than the other. Okay? It really depends on the application. So in our system, to move from one technology to the other is extremely easy. Okay? You just need to select the technology, and then the software change, all the settings change, and you can move from one to the other. You can compare technologies extremely easy. So if you are probably more interested in super smooth surfaces, to measure very small details in height, probably you will use interferometry. Okay, it has extremely low system noise, regardless the objective and the numerical aperture that you use. I like the image that you see here on the left. These are step heights of 0.3 nanometers. Okay, and you can see clearly, and we characterize them clearly, all these small steps. On the other side, if your interferometry has quite a lot of drawbacks in terms of the maximum slope you can measure, the lateral resolution, well, and this is where confocal is a very nice complement for interferometry. And then also we have focus variation, which is very nice for measuring shape, and well, you can measure up to 86 degrees on scattering surfaces with all objective. Okay, from 5x to 150x, you can have really you can measure shapes very nicely, very easily. So it's a nice combination. Okay, for surface testing, for shape, and of course the spectroscopic reflectometry, with where we can characterize very small thin fields from 50 nanometer to 1.5 microns. Okay, so here is a nice table when we use each of them. But I encourage you to contact us, and well, today will be a remote demo, but we will be happy to show to you. Thank you, and have a nice day. Take care.